Hey guys, and welcome to today's trading recap of the 24th of February, where I took two wins, one at the 2 a.m. candle and one at the 10 a.m. candle. Let's get right into it. So first of all, the 2 a.m. trade, we had for the bias first maybe, we just went and tapped into the week opening gap and shit it down, and before the candle we went up and tapped equilibrium of this big range. So I was like, okay, I would like to see shorts until right here, the 0.62, which was an hourly gap. So I wanted to see the rebalance of a rebalance. And yeah, so that was my bias for the PDREs. First of all, we had a 1 hour fair value gap right here, which I marked out, and also a 50-minute fair value gap right here. We tapped both of them, and it was a really clean trade because I'm going to show you. We tapped the hourly first, and then we had pretty much this AMD model. We accumulated a lot in this range. Then we manipulated the big manipulation move, and for the CST, we waited for it to close below it, so right here, and stops 1 point above this high, like this, just like textbook accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And yeah, for this trade, as I told you before, I targeted this low. And now for my exit, when we shitted down here, like London opened and we went just down, which is, it sometimes happens, but not a lot. And when we were around here, we tapped this 1 minute gap, and I was like, okay, maybe this is the manipulation. So I put my stop loss right here, because if this would have been the manipulation, we would have just shot up, but we just went on going down. So this was a good stop loss for me. We got edged once and then got stopped out for about 1.5 hours. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, pretty happy with this trade. It would have edged the TP, which wouldn't have been nice, but still happy with this result. And now let's get right into the second trade, which was at 10 a.m. Pretty clear trade, to be honest. When we opened, we swept all of these lows, as I told you before, this TP from the morning and everything. We just swept all of these lows at market open, and then went up. We made this 50-minute fair value gap, and also had this order block, this 50-minute order block. So visually, really good. And also when we opened the 10 a.m. candle, we pulled a fib, and as you can see, we just also got equilibrium of this range so perfectly. With a good CSD, which closed above right here, which was the entry, and pretty big stop loss, but still valid because it was a lot of price action going on, so big moves. And for my TP, it was yesterday's market open high, the New York high. So yeah, and exactly. In this trade, I also took it out early because I already had a win, and I was like, okay, let me put my stop loss here when we swept the high again. So when we were here, I put my stop loss here again, like 1.8 hour, and still pretty happy with this trade. Pretty good. So overall, really good trading day. I paid about, I think, 8.7k, if I remember correctly. And yeah, that's it. Good second day for the week, and I hope I see you soon when you tune in again. Thank you guys, and bye.